Sorry?
Why are you here? What are you doing here?
Oh, are you from the group?
No, I'm the journalist.
Yeah, we are here to protest the ethnic cleansing which is going on in Bangladesh. There are so many attacks on Hindu temples and Hindus by Muslim majority, and the government is not, Bangladesh government is not doing anything about it. They are not stopping it. So they are basically, what they are doing is they are doing ethnic cleansing, how they did it in Pakistan, now it's in Bangladesh.
I heard that Bangladesh government is taking care of this.
There were multiple attacks on Hindu temples within the last few days. And and there were like people got killed. They were brutally murdered. And Hindus got brutally murdered. One priest got murdered.
Yeah, but Bangladesh government is taking care of this.
No, I don't think so. They are not doing anything. So they need to come with heavy hand on that and do something about it so that it doesn't happen. Everybody, Hindus live peacefully everywhere. And here they are being brutally killed. So that's the problem. This is what we want to tell Bangladesh government.
Who is this group are protesting here?
Yeah, this is basically from Hare Krishna Temple, Bay Area, and from local L area. Also, ISKCON and the Hindu group.
Hindu Parishad of America, Los Angeles. I am the president.
A question that in Bangladesh minority was they're oppressed. Do you think that in India a minority get oppressed too?
No. India is a very secular country. Basically, India has Jewish are one of the best example. Jewish are like always welcome in India, and that's why they could even though that's the smallest minority, but they live very peacefully.
How about the Muslims?
Muslims also, wherever they are, like with the Hindus, they live very peacefully. But when sometimes there is attack, then there's retaliation, but not otherwise.
So peacefully there.
Otherwise, yeah. Otherwise, I have Muslim friends, and I've been living. I was in India. I used to greet them, and I used to live very peacefully. We all live very peacefully. So Hindu is one religion. It's not a religion. It's a way of life.
So what is your message to Bangladesh government?
Bangladesh government should come with take care of the Hindus minorities there. How India is taking care of the minorities. Then they should live peacefully, not with hatred.
Thank you.
Keshav Patel, President, Hindu Parishad of America, Los Angeles chapter, and we are this is a very sad incident. It happened in Bangladesh during the Durga Puja. Many temples are destroyed there and many people were killed. So we have protested from all the different Hindu associations from America and different countries also. I forwarded our memorandum to Sheikh Hasina, the Prime Minister of Bangladesh, last week, and also they have taken, I am learned that Sheikh Hasina has taken a good step also. She has ordered the Home Minister to take a strict action, and the Home Minister has ordered the police commissioner, and they arrested more than 265 people there. And I think also Prime Minister has suggested, and she has promised to build up the Durga Mandir again, rebuild it, and that is a little bit good. But our aim is that such things should not happen again, what it happens every time. In India, the minority of Muslims are so happy that not a single Muslim has left our country. And so many Bangladeshi has come in India, so many Pakistani Muslims has come in India, and all the Hindus has come in India.
So you're saying that in India, the Muslims, they are not oppressed like in Bangladesh?
They are more happy. They get a lot of facilities rather than the Hindu people are getting. That is the thing. Most of them are getting a free education in the colleges, and you see in the Jammu Kashmir, every Muslim student is getting a scholarship and all the expenditure wherever they are studying in the college.
Thank you.
Of ISKCON Krishna temple has been murdered. So we are here protesting against Bangladesh zealot, and we want Bangladesh government to act swiftly and decisively, and they should punish all those zealots and those bigots and those jihadis. And we appeal to the world that all these jihadis should stop their terrorism, and we stop killing Hindus in Bangladesh. We are also approaching Hindu human rights group, and we are also approaching human rights group in Geneva. We are also approaching New York, UNO. So we appeal to the world, to the peaceful people of the world, that be united against jihad and terrorism. This Islamic terrorism, Islamic jihad is causing havoc all over the world. So we have to unite and fight. And we expect that no Hindu should suffer anywhere in the world. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai India, Jai USA.
Bharat Mata ki Jai.
Hindu lives matter. Hindu lives matter. Hindu lives matter. Hindu lives matter.
Hare Krishna, much is best. Here's just Hare Krishna.
Go ahead. You go ahead.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, we want peace for everyone. That's how we chant Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare.
Thank you very much.
And I'm here supporting this protest in support of the Hindu community. And what's happening in Bangladesh is very, very bad. I can understand there are some ignorant people. I can understand there are some people who don't know anything about the world. They don't understand the democratic values. I completely understand the idiots. What I do not understand is what the government of Bangladesh is doing to stop this. The government of Bangladesh has to do something to stop this. I have nothing against the people who are ignorant. not knowledgeable, God forgive them. But as a government, please bring your administration to some kind of justice. So this is a demand from all of us. We are a very peaceful community in Southern California. But what I see here in Bangladesh is unacceptable. It's not one attack random. It is not random. It's being done at 24 places in different parts of the country at the same time. This is an organized Holocaust against Hindus. This is an organized Holocaust against Hindus, and that is not acceptable. So Bangladesh government should please take a note of it and please respect everyone's honor, respect all other Hindus. Thank you very much.
My name is Ajay Dubey. I am the current president of National Federation of Indo-American Association of US, which is the largest umbrella organization of whole US. We started about 41 years back, and we had a board meeting yesterday. We can condemn these things, what happened in Bangladesh, the attack on the minorities. So we are condemning that, and we are going to send a letter to the embassy of Bangladesh from NFIA. Thank you.
At some point we'll collaborate. ये पिक्चर लेना है, देखिए पिक्चर तरह हो रहा है। I'm here supporting this protest in support of the Hindu community. And what's happening in Bangladesh is very, very bad. I can understand there are some ignorant people. I can understand there are some people who don't know anything about the world. They don't understand the democratic values. I completely understand the idiots. What I do not understand is what the government of Bangladesh is doing to stop this. The government of Bangladesh has to do something to stop this. I have nothing against the people who are ignorant, not knowledgeable, God forgive them. But as a government, please bring your administration to some kind of justice. So this is a demand from all of us. We are a very peaceful community in Southern California. But what I see here in Bangladesh is unacceptable. It's not one attack random. It is not random. It's being done at 24 places in different parts of the country at the same time. This is an organized Holocaust against Hindus. This is an organized Holocaust against Hindus, and that is not acceptable. So Bangladesh government should please take a note of it and please respect everyone's honor, respect all other Hindus. Thank you very much.
My name is Ajay Dubey. I am the current president of National Federation of Indo-American Association of US, which is the largest umbrella organization of whole US. We started about 41 years back, and we had a board meeting yesterday. We can condemn these things, what happened in Bangladesh, the attack on the minorities. So we are condemning that, and we are going to send a letter to the embassy of Bangladesh from NFIA. Thank you.
My name is Sri Krishna Purushottam Das. I am coming representing ISKCON here. We have a temple in San Francisco. I am from San Francisco. We have a temple here in Los Angeles. Today we are assembled here to do the protest, peaceful protest. The Hindus are attacking in Bangladesh. So there are two devotees from the ISKCON temple, and they went 500 people went there and then attacked radical Islamists. They attacked the temple, and then they actually killed murdered two devotees. And this is happening in front of a republic country or democratic country in Bangladesh. So we are seeing we need justice. We are assembled here in front of the consulate, Bangladesh consulate in Los Angeles, to do this protest, and we need the justice from the government. And both the governments are silent, and we don't know what's happening, and they are blocking our ISKCON Twitter accounts in Bangladesh, and they're shutting down the internet. We don't know what's happening. No news. They're chopping off Durga Mata's heads, and this is not acceptable by any Hindu, any dharmic person. This is not at all acceptable, and that's why we are asking international media and United Nations for human rights, to stop this, and we need a justice, and we need a transparency. What's going on, and these people need to punish. Thank you.
Southern California, one of the lead person. I want to say only the one thing, not much. We are in right now the Bangladesh, the office, but tell them stop our terrorism. When Bangladesh become the independent, only India help. But right now they are the opposite. That not make the fair. Only I want to say one more time, stop the terrorism. And if it not stop, we put our message to Narendra Bhai Modi. And we have to make some kind of the action. There is no question about that. So that's about the big crowded today, 200 people around here, and that's about the message.
Yes, I'm here to protest against the brutality against the Hindu minorities in Bangladesh, vandalizing the temples, ISKCON temple, Hindu temples, and killing, torturing innocent Hindus in the name of religion. This has to stop. Enough is enough, and civilized society is not going to take this anymore. We're going to take this matter up to highest level and lodge our protest, and this has to stop. Torturing, raping innocent little girls has to stop. Bangladesh government, please do something. Protect your own citizens. This is uncivilized. Once again, the whole world is with the minorities in Bangladesh. Dhanyavad.
Vedic Dharma, and that can be explained by Srimad Bhagavatam. Srimad Bhagavatam is the summary of all Vedic knowledge. Anybody who doesn't have Srimad Bhagavatam at home, don't claim to be Hindu. Teach kids, there are hundreds of pictures in Srimad Bhagavatam. Everybody, please take one Srimad Bhagavatam at home. Come and see youth changing in America. In America, youth is changing, reading Srimad Bhagavatam, looking at the picture. We need to have Bhagavatam at each and every home.
Come and talk to me, I will give you one.
Haribol!